Discover the power of live streaming with the ease of use of vMix and the JVC KM-IP8 Bundle, your all-in-one solution for high-quality live production, now with a free PTZ camera included. This powerful trio includes the KM-IP8S4 NDI SDI Switcher, the RM-LP350G Controller, and a free KY-PZ200N NDI PTZ Camera, all designed to work together smoothly. At the heart of the system is the KM-IP8S4 Switcher, built to vMix's Ruby specification. It provides robust switching between multiple video sources over IP. vMix is a live video production software that allows you to mix together video and audio sources into a production which can be recorded, streamed, and connected to many popular workflows. Setup is a breeze with the easy-to-read, quick start guide provided by JVC. For intuitive control of the switcher and camera, the RM-LP350G Controller puts tactile buttons at your fingertips. Its layout mirrors the switcher's controls so operators can switch scenes, adjust camera presets, and more with efficient hands-on control. Plus, it features an easy-to-use joystick for controlling live camera feeds. The KY-PZ200N PTZ Camera is a key component of this bundle, enabling dynamic camera angles for your productions. As an NDI-enabled camera, it integrates seamlessly into the system over IP. Operators can control its pan, tilt, zoom, and more directly from the switcher or controller. The camera supports a resolution of up to 1080 60p and offers a 20x optical zoom. The JVC Bundle is a comprehensive solution that includes reliable switching capabilities, innovative control features, and a versatile camera for capturing high-quality shots. It's an ideal choice for broadcasters, event companies, houses of worship, and any organization looking to elevate their live streaming and video production capabilities. With JVC's complete production solution, vMix users can take advantage of NDI technology and take their live streaming productions to the next level. Experience the difference with JVC. Order your bundle today at Videoguys.com.